Well, we're the oldest county historical society in Pennsylvania. We're actually the second oldest overall. So we have a fairly comprehensive collection. Hello, I'm Mark Rossetti Jr. I'm the Director of Operations and Programs for the Luzerne County Historical Society. Sometimes we're very lucky in that we have a piece that really is kind of a living artifact on its own that, tells its own story. And one of those is this music box right here. And the beauty of this is it still functions. We're in the Swetland homestead as we speak, and we're very lucky in that the house has only ever had two owners, the Swetland family and then us. We were sold it in 1958 for $1 on the condition that we maintain it as a historic home, and we are very proud to keep doing that. This is what they call a 17-hand oven. And the reason why it's called a 17-hand oven is this is 1803. You need to know what the temperature is. You don't have a thermometer. So the ladies would stick their arm all the way in as far as they could get it, and they would count to themselves to 17. And if they can count to 17 without getting burned, without having to pull their hand out, it was about 350 degrees. You put your bread in, you're ready to go. Then just down the street, they were neighbors in fact. It's 1.1 miles door to door is the Nathan Dennison house. Dennison house is a 1790 very New England style home. So this is the Colonel's bedroom now, and this is his large 4-post canopy bed. You get a little bit of etymology of a phrase here. The mattress is not springs, it's not memory foam, it's straw. And then underneath is ropes. And as you would lay on it, the ropes would sag. So every night you would pull them out and you would tighten them up and twist them and get them good. And that's where you get sleep tight, don't let the bed bugs bite. And then our museum building downtown, was built for us in 1893. Welcome to our museum. And one piece that we're particularly proud of is this powder horn. And this belonged to a man named Gershom Prince. And Gershom Prince was a free African American who fought during the Revolution. And he unfortunately was killed at the Battle of Wyoming, but the horn was recovered from his body. It's been studied by a number of experts. They believe it's one of only 4 in the world. And then in case anyone was curious, in case you want to settle the debate once and for all, Wilkes-Barre, and it is Barre. John Wilkes, Isaac Barre. I hope people get a sense of pride in where they come from, because there's so much to do and there's so much that has occurred here. But most of all, I hope people just take the opportunity to realize that history isn't a bunch of dates and names on a piece of paper. You could see things, you could touch things, you can come here. And so there is a whole nother component to history that is actually really fun. Trust me, if that were the case, I wouldn't be here. So.